Hi, I'm Aubrey from ITProTV, and for National IT Professionals Day, we had our members share their worst IT horror stories. And the worst, or the best, story we had come in was from David Adams. He swears, as unbelievable as this sounds, that this is an absolute true story. When he was working as a traveling technician, he went out to repair a printer. He had to drive 100 miles. He had to take it apart and put it back together, but in the end, there was this small but critical plastic piece that was missing. He scanned the table that he was working on and could not find it. It wasn't under the table, and he couldn't see it anywhere in the general vicinity. Just when the search was getting frantic, a woman walked by and stopped to help. She asked, "What are you looking for?" And he responded with a tiny plastic part. She, a fully developed human being, proceeded to spit the piece out and ask, "Is this it?" It was. Trying not to let disgust appear on his face, he took the piece back and immediately threw it out. When he called the company and told them he could not finish the repair because the user had eaten the part, they thought he was joking. How you didn't quit your job right there on the spot is a true testament that you are an IT pro.